Over the past 32 years, we've tried every different type of iron filter media that is known to man. And we found that the Katalox Light works the best where other iron filters have failed. A lot of iron filters work really good for a while, but they misdiagnosed the water test and they didn't take other things like pH into consideration or hardness into consideration when they were speccing out the system. So basically we found that the 2510 AIO with Katalox Light outperforms berm, green sand, carbon, and anything else you want to use for iron filtration. People ask, how much iron can the Katalox Light remove? It's designed to remove up to 30 parts per million of iron. There's a lot of different products on the market to remove iron, a lot of different filter medias. Pyrolox, Phylox, berm, green sand. All those do a decent job up to a certain point, but they don't perform like Katalox Light. We found that Katalox Light outperforms every other filter media as far as iron and manganese and sulfur removal goes. People ask, how long will Katalox Light last before I have to service the unit? Basically, there's no annual maintenance required, and depending on your water usage, you're going to replace the media about every 6 to 8 years, which is phenomenal. A lot of people ask, I already have an iron filter and I have the tank and the valve and all that good stuff. Can I use Katalox Light and just put it in my tank and replace my present media? Well, yeah, you can do that, but it depends. We use a specific type of valve. We use the Fleck 2510 AIO, which has a strong backwash cycle and does a better job of pushing the water up through the media. In conjunction with our Vortec tank, with the way the Vortec tank is designed, it spins the water up through the media in a circular motion and does a better job of separating the media and cleaning the media out. So you can try it. It may or may not work. There's only one situation where Katalox Light doesn't work by itself, and that's if you have extremely low pH. So if your pH is, say, 5.5, you have to put a backwashing acid neutralizer first in front of the Katalox Light system in order to help get the pH up. And then when it passes through the Katalox Light, it'll raise it even further because we want to be around 8 on the pH scale to properly remove iron, sulfur, and manganese from the water. After 32 years of being in the industry and with the equipment and the technology they have now, if I had iron and sulfur in my water, I would have the 2510 2.5 Katalox Light system with a 64,000 grain demand softener, followed by a carbon tank and a UV light just to be safe.